All you need is a heated eyelash curler and pair it with a mascara to get a better result. This heated eyelash curler has four temperature settings: 55 degrees Celsius for soft eyelashes at the corner of the eyes, 65 degrees Celsius for soft, short eyelashes, 75 degrees Celsius for soft, long eyelashes, and 85 degrees Celsius for thick and hard eyelashes. First, turn on the switch of the heated eyelash curler. Press and hold to adjust the temperature to 75 degrees Celsius. Set it aside for later use. Next, grab your mascara. Using mascara with the heated eyelash curler helps the curled lashes maintain their shape. Start by applying a thin layer of mascara at the base of your lashes, both upper and lower lashes. Then, take the heated eyelash curler with the elevated temperature and place it on your lashes. Press upwards, making sure it reaches the eyelid, and hold it in place. It won't burn your eyelids or damage your lashes. Since mascara dries quickly, gently press for 10 seconds, not too hard, just enough to secure it. Countdown: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then gently lift it up, and your lashes will be beautifully curled. Repeat the same process for any lashes you missed on the same eye. For the lower lashes, you can press directly downward for 10 seconds. After completing this, if you want your lashes to appear longer, you can apply another layer of mascara. That's it! After a few times, the process becomes really easy. We hope you enjoy those beautifully curled and captivating lashes.